Thank you, Chalkola, for sending this item to check out. And we are looking at the Chalkola 30 chalk markers, 1mm extra fine tip. And these are erasable on non-porous surfaces like glass, mirrors, ceramics, plastic, but is permanent on porous surfaces like wood, painted walls, paper. It is water-based ink and suitable for children above 3 years of age. And these are all the colors that are available. This is all that's available inside. And of course, you gotta get ready or get started with chalk markers. So a little bit of information there. But it's not too complicated. Just have to pick one color, pick one with the tip facing up. You shake it for 30 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right. Take the cap off. Lightly press on the tip to release it. Just a little bit, not too much. And then you're just going to press this nib up and down until the paint comes out. Shouldn't take too long. Maybe like 10, 30 seconds to a minute. Depends. All right, there it goes. And I just start to write. So that's the chorus. Should just be on there. Give it time to dry. But on glass surfaces, it should wash off really easy. Lightly put our finger across it. A little bit more pressure, and it's gone. Ugh. And this has been the Chalkola 30 chalk markers.